Hey guys, what's going on? Now you've probably heard of the YouTube channel Exploring Abandoned Mines and Unusual Places, and it's about exploring abandoned mines and unusual places. It's run by a guy called Frank, and in his explorations of abandoned mines and unusual places, he's come across some really creepy and disturbing stuff. Here, for example.
That big white stuff right there at Paul's feet.
I thought it was plastic or something. That's gotta be mold. That's weird, man.
There's some timbers over here. Hey, there's some kind of box here.
Dynamite box?
No.
Yeah.
No, it's not a dynamite box. It's a, I don't know if it's a, oh.
I want a cigarette.
A box with a goddamn pentagram on it.
It's got a pentagram on it. And somebody's name down here in the corner. Dude, this is an old box. There's some
Pentagram? That's a real good one. What the hell?
There's something in it.
Boom!
What? Oh my god, it's a fucking...
Containing a gun.
Look at that. It's a little like, it's a revolver.
Wow, a demon gun!
Just what I always wanted.
Back to what we're looking at today, a mine. I mean, let's be honest guys, mines are already creepy, but this is genuinely some possible ghost footage. I mean, I don't know, blah blah blah. Stop talking, Mike, let's get into this footage. Part 1. In the summer of 2013, he decided to explore the Horton Mine. I mean, it looks creepy already. He says it's dangerous, water there, I don't know anything about mines, so I'll take his word for it.
Okay, here's a lower adit at the Victorine mine. I believe this was an older mine. Yeah, water in a mine.
He's a little hesitant of going in, and I don't blame him.
But I just don't think it's wise to go in here when there's water. Try to avoid this if I can. This is one of the creepiest mine tunnels I've ever been in, just because of how dilapidated it is and all these chains hanging down from the overhead, and there's a shot looking down the tunnel.
And he starts to develop the growing feeling of being watched.
Still pretty wet.
Something evil.
And taking a look around here back at the entrance, which is there.
He keeps going in. Why? Because then this happens.
I don't know why that one chain is swinging back there. Don't know if you can see that in the video or not.
Chains from the ceiling start shaking of their own accord. No sound, no one's there to move them. Just swinging. He decides to leave.
Yeah, this mine definitely has a very spooky vibe to it. So I'm going to head back out and check out the other stuff that's here. This is just too wet and too muddy. And obviously something is making the chains swing. So time to get the hell out of here.
Wisely, I would agree. He then goes back the following summer. Part 2.
The portal. So let's go check this out. See if it's any drier than it was a year ago.
He returns to the mine, though this time it seems filled with much more running water. Presumably, more dangerous.
Yellow ventilation tubing that's still suspended from the... Okay, I'm further in than I was a year ago. And
he gets to the place with the chains. None are swinging, but to be fair, I think he encounters something worse. He gets to the end of the mine, or as deep as he was willing to go, and...
Okay, here's a final parting shot of the end of the Horton Tunnel. And there's the ore pass with all the cascading water. And what the fuck is that? I don't know what that was, but there was a sudden blast of cold air, and I'm getting out of here.
He promptly gets the hell out of there, thoroughly spooked. And guys, this isn't the only time he's encountered voices in a mine. Check this out. He goes into the main haulage tunnel of the Waldeck mine just to review a flashlight for his channel, and
I feel a little bit of airflow here, so do you hear that? Sounds like what is that, wind? Can you, I don't know if you can hear that on the camera. Do you hear that? It stopped. Wow. I don't know what that is. That doesn't sound like wind, but that's crazy. Don't know if that's a bird or I don't know what that is. It almost sounds like snakes, but wow. I've heard some weird stuff in mines, but that is definitely creepy. I don't know what that is. So let's get out of here and head back out to the portal. That was weird. I don't hear it. Wow, that was strange.
he doesn't seem that spooked. He says he's encountered this kind of stuff before. I would be running out of there. To be fair, I'd be running kinda slowly because my pants would be filled with poop.
Wow.
So, what do we think, real or no? To be honest, it's hard to say. The swinging? That's difficult because, we can clearly see in the video that there's no one there, and the audio is good, so we can't hear anybody, hear any footsteps as if somebody pushed it and ran away. And the swinging, the chains are moving quite a bit, so it isn't wind. Perhaps it could be vibrations. Maybe a road goes over the tunnel and a heavy truck that caused the chain to move. Possible, I guess. I don't know the location, but on Google Maps there is a road near, but it's not near enough that the vibrations could be caused from that. The sounds?
And, what the fuck is that?
Well, let's be honest, that's an easier one to fib. He could have added that post, there could have been a second guy there playing creepy stuff on his phone. Frank ain't saying, so maybe we'll never know. And let's be honest, part of me would rather not know, because not knowing, I can assume it's fake, and it's all good. So guys, what do you think? Real? Fake? Let me know if you have any theories or any ideas or what you think the possible causes of these sounds and movement could be. Let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know your thoughts and your theories. I will also leave the links to the original videos in my description, so if you want to check them out, investigate them more yourself, work away guys. Thanks for watching. As I said already, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and thank you again for watching. Take care of yourselves. Mike out.